Ni mwaka umwe na nuthu riu kuma mutongoria wa kiama kia DCP Rigathi Gachagua ahagurwo na kuhanda cira igoti-ini agitetia mitaratara ya uria ahagurirwo.
Proceedings in the plenaries are concerned.
Thutha wa ihenya riri riu cira uyu utanyitwo gutuithanio muthenya wa rucio kuria mutongoria uyu augite ni ehaririirie kwamukira maumirira o mothe.
Nilitolewa kwa ofisi against the law, against the constitution. Tomorrow, kesi imesikizwa, uamuzi ni kesho. Tomorrow. So simutaniombea? Mutuombe, and we are ready for whatever outcome.
Oho augite ari na witikio na igoti ria bururi iria gukanaheana itwa ikindiriku.
I'll be grateful to God, and we shall be very grateful that there is a justice system in Kenya that works. I have confidence that our judiciary is independent, is impartial, and will give justice to Rigathi Gachagua and millions of his supporters across the country.
No ona gukiri uguo Gachagua Kuuga kungikinya acirithania aya atatu matigatua itua uria arehoka. Rigathi augite ni agathie igoti-ini ria gucokia macira riko gwethana na kihoto.
If the ruling goes the other way, it is still okay. We'll still have an opportunity to go to the Court of Appeal and follow the legal remedies that has been provided by the Constitution.
Ihinda-ini o riu Gachagua akiuria arumiriri ake kwaga kwambururukio ni maumirira ma cira uyu, akiuga angikorwo matigakenio nimo marakara macio makamatwara irebi-ini ria githurano kia mwaka wa 2027.
I want to urge my supporters across the country, irrespective of the outcome, to remain calm and peaceful. Rigathi Gachagua is a very peaceful person, and I want to ask our supporters to be peaceful and calm.
Aritie u hindi ya igongona ria atumia a Guild kanitha-ini wa PCA Mutero Karen kuria ahoweirwo ni undu wa cira wake. Riri itua ria cira wa uria wari munini wa President Rigathi wa Gachagua ritanyitwo gutuithanio muthenya wa rucio na kuoneka kurehe mogaruruku uteti-ini wa guku bururi-ini. Rigathi wa Gachagua ni athiete na mbere na kuria arumiriri ake maikare mahoreire thengia wa uria maumirira magakorwo. Handu-ini ha Inoro TV de Karen muciĩ wa Nairobi. Ritwa riakwa ni Kuuga o Aboshi.